How to stop people from sharing your post on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and select your profile name. Here you can see it's your profile. So scroll down and tap on any of the posts over here. So over here on your post, you can see the top three dotted lines at the top. So tap on it and here you can see the option of edit post, edit privacy and so on. So if you do not want people to share your post, you can either archive this where you can tap on move to archive and archive this so that other people won't be able to see that on your profile, or you can tap on edit privacy. So you can just select on only me or specific friends or so on. So let's tap on save over here. Now, next option, what we have is you can just tap on the settings of the Facebook application, scroll down, and here you can see the option of stories. So tap on stories and you can get the option of allows others to share your profile stories or public stories to their own story. So you can toggle this off and you can just stop people from sharing your stories on Facebook. But for the post section, this is not available. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.